Today we're going to talk about adjectives. You know, these words that give some extra information to nouns. For example, I've got this car and fast, red car. These are adjectives describing this car. I've got a beautiful car, a fast car, a red car, and these are the normal form. I'm not comparing, I'm just describing. And in English, we place the adjectives just before the nouns. I've got a red, cool car. My car is beautiful. But what about if I went to compare two things? For example, these two cars. Fast. So that car, this one here, is faster than my car. And in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to add er to the adjective and then write the word than. So if we got one syllable, an adjective with just one syllable, we're going to do it this way. So fast, faster than. My car or that car is faster than my car. If we got one syllable and the adjective is ending with consonant, vowel and consonant, like for example big, we double the last consonant. My house is bigger than your house. One or two syllables ending in E, like for example nice, nicer than. My teacher is nicer than your teacher. And what about if the adjective ends in Y? So happy, happier. As you can see, this Y turns into I here. My brother is happier than your brother. If we want, instead of comparing, we want to say who's the best, who's the most, okay, superlative. This is how it goes. Fast, the fastest. So we got these three cars, and the white car is the fastest one, the fastest of the three. So if we have got one syllable and the adjective ends in consonant, vowel, consonant, for example, big, the biggest. My house is the biggest. Here you are, the biggest one. One or two syllables ending in E. Nice, the nicest. My teacher is the nicest. And if we got an adjective ending in Y, one or two syllables, like happy, the happiest. My brother is the happiest. But what about see if the adjectives is a little bit longer with two or more syllables? Oh, so we do it this way. Beautiful, more beautiful than. So here you go, an example. We got Sarah, that ugly girl, and we got Rose, that amazing woman. Okay, so the thing is that Sarah is more beautiful than Rose. This is the way we do it, like in Spanish, más guapa. And if I have a group of nouns and I want to say the superlative here, it goes this way. Beautiful, the most beautiful. So we got Rose, Sarah, and surprise, surprise, we've got Peggy. So Sarah is the most beautiful woman of these three girls. Okay? Sometimes things are alike, and this is the way we say it in English, as tall as. So we place the adjective in between these two words. Tan alto como. So here goes brothers. Mark is as tall as Pau. Mark es tan alto como Pau. And if it's not that way, okay, not as tall as. No es tan alto como. So Paul is not as tall as Jim. Okay, so if you have understood every single thing that I said about adjectives, comparing and superlatives, you have to apply it to adverbs because it is exactly the same. Now, in this case, adverbs give some extra information to actions, to verbs. Adverbs. Yeah? So we got a man running, and this is a verb, an action, ran. So every single thing I have to describe this action are adverbs like slowly, calmly, quietly. So he ran slowly, quietly, calmly. And now what about if I want to compare or to use the superlative form here? Well, easy. Why? Because it works exactly the same as adjectives. So I'm not going to explain it again. Yeah, just take a look and remember all the things that I said before about adjectives because they go exactly the same. And that's all for now, folks.